So today we will learn how to compare two numbers using my PHP program. So we will start with comparing two numbers. So here I'll start with comments. So my PHP program to compare two numbers. My PHP program to compare two numbers. So here I need to initialize two numbers first. So I'll do this dollar, say first number is A equal to 10 and another number is dollar B equal to 20, and now I want to compare them. So I'll be using same if construct, that if dollar A is greater than dollar B, then I need to write here that A is greater than B. So here I will use my echo statement, echo, then A is greater or equal, greater than B. So this will be my first statement after if. See, that means here dollar A dollar B means if it is true. If it is true, then this statement will be printed, and otherwise you can move to else part of it, and in the else you can write echo A is, sorry, B is, I'll write it B is greater or equal to A. B is greater or equal to A. So with this I can open my program. So as I have given here comment, so I need to put all these things inside the PHP tag. So here I will write then PHP. I'll write PHP. Then after this, here I need to close it again. So I'll write then closing brackets. So that is PHP, and after this I am to close it. So once I have done, then I can execute this program. So here the answer is B is greater or equal to A. B is greater or equal to A, because see, we have not given here equal to sign. If we give equal to, then the same thing can be written for A as well. Here then I'll write A is greater or equal to B, because I am not clear, I am not very sure what the number is going to come. Sometime it can be a same number, and otherwise I'll write B is greater. Here in this case I'll be writing only simple that B is greater, because the equal to part has been included in the first one only. B is greater than A. So execute it, and again what you are going to get, in this case B is greater than A. That's all. Okay. So similarly we can make some more programs, like if I want to check out whether a given number is a even number in PHP. So what I'll do here, again I'll write my PHP program to check even number, Okay. So when I have done, then I will initialize my again one variable. Say this time I will take this variable as num variable, and my num variable has been given some value, say assume take it as 10, and then here you need to apply some conditions. Again you will have to check out it in the if statement, if construct, and then how you will do that, then you will put here $num, because this time you are trying to find out remainder. So remainder of 2 is equal to 0. is equal to 0. That means that number which you have given there, here as in this case is $num, and then you are dividing it by 2, and if remainder is coming 0, then you can say it is a even number. It is a even number. You can say it is a even number, and else you can say it's a odd number. So again execute it and you will get the number is even number. So it has come as even number. Now think this number is a little large, say something like this. So now it is a even number or odd number. So again you will do the process in the same way, steps will remain same. We will be again dividing it by 2. If remainder comes out 0, then it is a even number, otherwise it will be a odd number. So you can run it again, and now it is odd number. Similarly, if you want to check out for a given year is a leap year, so in that case you can again do the same thing. So what you can do, you can go here and give a variable. Say I will take one variable m year. M year is a variable, and that variable will be having some value, say 2056. Now you need to check out whether this given variable value, the given year, is a leap year. So in this case what you will be trying, you will be checking out its a divisibility by 4, and if it's a divisible by 4, then you can say it's a leap year. You can print here, if a statement comes true, then you can say